Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to this very important video. I'm calling it a very important video because it lists all the SINP Noc codes that are in demand by Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. Currently, this is about the Q3 of 2022. We all know that May 6th was the last draw for Saskatchewan. Then for 2 months, they did not conduct any draw. May 5th was the last draw. Then on July 6th, they came back and they came back with a bang. So from July 6th to September 15th, I have compiled all of these draws. Then I took all of these NOC codes and I put them in an Excel sheet. And then I went to the NOC code list and I figured out the NOC titles. Then I removed the duplicates, and here is the list that were invited by Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program in July, August and September of 2022. So this list is very important because if you got yourself selected, if your NOC code was selected in these draws, then there is a high chance that your NOC code will come back. And let's start our video with 0016. Let me just start doodling. 0016 is senior managers in construction, transportation, production and utilities. Then we have 0211, these are the engineering managers. Then we have 0621, which are the retail and wholesale trade managers. Then we have 0631, restaurant and food service managers. 0632 are the accommodation service managers. If we talk about further, 0911 are the manufacturing managers and construction managers are 0711. Now these are all managerial NOC codes, and if you are a self-employed person, then high chances are that your NOC code will fall into these NOC group of managerial NOC codes. Okay, and apart from these managerial NOC codes, if we talk about the rest, 1114 is other financial officers, 1224 property administrators, 1225 are the purchasing agents and officers, 2131 is a very common NOC code and these are the civil engineers. Then we have 2142, which are the metallurgical and materials engineers. Then we have IT NOC codes. Let me take the list further. These are the IT NOC codes: 2171 information system analysts and consultants, 2172 database analysts and data administrators. Then we have computer programmers and interactive media developers. Then we have web designers and developers. Now these are all the IT NOC codes, and there are a couple of more IT NOC codes which I will discuss in the later part of this video as well. So all of these NOC codes, these are in chronological order, so they start from 0 and they end with 9. Okay, so make sure that if your NOC falls into any of these categories, then you stick around till the end so that your NOC, you don't miss your NOC code. Okay, then we have Tetra 2, which is the agriculture and fish product inspectors. Then we have construction estimators, which are 2234. Then 2241 are the electrical and electronics engineering technologists and technicians. Then we have 2242, which is electronic service technicians, household and business equipment. Then we have 2243, which are the industrial instrument technicians and mechanics. Then we have 2253, which are the drafting technologists and technicians. Okay, and if we go further, 2263 is the inspectors in public and environmental health and occupational health and safety. Then 2272 are the air traffic controllers and related occupations. 2281 are the computer and network technicians. Now these are again the IT NOC codes. Then we have user support technicians. These are the IT NOC codes. Okay, then we have occupational therapists, 3143. If we go further, these are all the medical NOC codes now. Medical laboratory technologists, medical laboratory technicians and pathologist assistants, respiratory therapists, clinical perfusionist and cardiopulmonary technologists, Then we have medical radiation technologists, medical sonographers, cardiology technologists, and electrophysiological diagnostic technologists. Now, these are the medical terms that I am very much unfamiliar with, but anyhow, 3219 is the next NOC code, other medical technologists and technicians except dental health. And paramedicals are 3234. Then we have other technical occupations in therapy and assessment, which are the 3237. Then lastly, we have 4151, which are the psychologists. Now, these are all the medical NOC codes which are very high in demand right now in Saskatchewan. And if we go further, the list goes on, right? These are 58 NOC codes. Okay, so we'll go through all of these. So the next one is social policy researchers, the 4164. Then we have now these are the sales NOC code. Let me take the list a little further. These are the sales NOC codes: 6211 retail sales supervisors, 6221 technical sales specialists for wholesale trade, 6222 retail and wholesale buyers, 6312 are the executive housekeepers. So these are the sales NOC codes if you are in sales just like me, but my NOC code is 0601, which is in demand by OINP. So these were the NOC codes that are in demand by Saskatchewan. Now let's talk about trade NOC codes, skilled trades. 7205, these are the contractors and supervisors in other construction trades, installers, repairers and servicers. Then we have welders and related machine operators. Then we have electricians who do not work in industrial systems. If you're an industrial electrician, then your NOC code would be 7242. Then further on, 7246 is the telecommunication installation and repair workers. Then further go on, we have more skilled trade NOC codes. 7271 are the carpenters. Then we have contractors and supervisors in heavy equipment operator crews. Then we have supervisors, motor transport and other ground transit operators. Then we have construction millwrights and industrial mechanics. Then we have heavy duty equipment mechanics. Then next up is 7321, which is automotive service technicians, truck and bus mechanics and mechanical repairers. Then we have logging machinery operators. Further we go on, 8252 is the agricultural service contractors, farm supervisors and specialized livestock workers. Then we have supervisors, petroleum, gas and chemical processing and utility, 9212. Then 9313 and 9232. These are the central control and process operators in mineral and metal processing and petroleum, gas and chemical processing. So these are the NOC codes that are in demand, 58 NOC codes which are currently in demand, and I basically compiled this list manually. Okay, so I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up because it took a lot of effort, maybe 1 hour went into researching this video. So if your NOC code is in one of these NOC codes, then make sure that you have your expression of interest right now in the Saskatchewan Immigration Nomination Program. And if any of your friends have one of these NOC codes, then make sure you get them into the EOI pool so that this video or rather this list of NOC codes can help them decide better that what is going to be their future. All right. So with these words, this is Ali Iftikhar and I'm hoping great things are coming your way.